going on, you guys? Ultimate Collector Tutor here. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another Chucky doll reviews. Yes, guys, today I got quite a lot of new Chucky dolls. I have a pretty big new Chucky haul. I got the new Sfx Chucky magazine, which I already did a video on. I showed you guys, the stuff behind the scenes stuff from Chucky Season 2 digitally. I also got the new Child's Play 2 Chucky Studios. I'm not sure what you call it, but it's a Good Guys Child's Play 2 Good Guys Factory display. And I also got another duplicate. And I got another Mezcotoyz Pizza Face Chucky doll. Now I already had this one, but I just got a new one. He's right over there. And I got another Neca figure. I already have that one, and I got a new one. And now this one, I already had that one. The Mezcotoyz Bride of Chucky doll, and now I got this guy. Now he's different. This is the first Mezcotoyz Chucky doll that ever came out with. He's the same as that one, but he doesn't talk. This one is different. He doesn't have the talking feature, which makes him really rare and very unique. And he came out in 2013, which is discontinued and very rare now. And I also got the Super7 new Chucky figures. I already had the good guy version, but now I have the Child's Play 2 one. So I guess let's start with the Super7 figures. I already had the good guy one. I already did a review on this quite ago. But now I have the Child's Play 2 evil version, which is pretty cool. I really love it. Here are the two Neca figures. I already had that one, you guys know, but now I got this one. And as you can tell, yes, it's real, it's not a fake. I obviously had to make sure of that. And same thing with that one that I had quite a long time now. But they are really cool. You guys already know these by now, so I really don't need to do an in-depth review. Well, everything here, you guys, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen before, so you guys really don't need to see an in-depth review. Plus, I already have a review of this one, the Neca figure, the Mezco dolls, and yeah, it's just this one, which is new, that one, and these two. But I'm pretty sure you guys already know these by now, so yeah. But I thought it was really cool, to show you guys. And here is the Good Guys Playhouse Toys, the official home of the Good Guys. This is like a Good Guys Child's Play 2 factory inspired. I'm not sure what you call these, but it's a really cool display for the Chucky room, your Chucky collection. I think it is amazing, and it does have that thing on the top, which you can hang it on the wall or anywhere you want. And here is the Sfx Chucky magazine. Now, I already did a Chucky TV series news video, which I showed you guys the behind the scenes for season 2 digitally, but I'm very happy to have the actual copy. I got this from eBay. This is the Sfx magazine, which is really cool. There's Chucky. It also has Hocus Pocus 2, which is amazing. So I decided to skip, to the Chucky part, because that's all we care about. Again, I already did a video about this showing us the images, so it's fine. You can go watch that if you haven't already. You can also pause, the video and read this if you really want to. I still haven't read this yet, but I'll see when I can read this. But yeah, there's the Tiffany doll, the Steven Sauer. It's really cool. This is Jennifer Tilly. I think it is amazing. Yeah, there's more. And yeah, that's it. And there's also Hocus Pocus 2. I'm also gonna show that because I'm very excited for Hocus Pocus 2, and I love Hocus Pocus, so yeah, they're really cool. And of course, I haven't done a video about Hocus Pocus, or it's just Chucky mainly because he's my favorite. And yeah, that's it. But right at the end, you have Halloween Ends, so that's amazing. But yeah, that's the Sfx magazine. Really happy to have this in the collection for my Chucky TV series or Chucky Season 2 collection. I really love this, and I guess I can also include that for my Hocus Pocus / Hocus Pocus 2 collection. But Chucky is in the cover, so I count it as just part of my Chucky collection. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And of course, this is my Chucky series good guy doll. He's not new, he's just there. to hold the Sfx Magazine. So this is the Mezco Pizza Face Chucky doll that I already had, and I found another one on eBay for like $20 plus shipping. He comes with a box and the gun. He also had the gun and the box. They're really cool, so this is a really great deal and I really had to get it. But yeah, I'm really happy to have duplicates in the collection. I don't mind having them, duplicates. It's really cool, and yeah, twins. And as you can see right here, I already had this one. This one talks. This was the first one that Mezcotoyz has ever came out with. This one doesn't talk. It doesn't have the talking feature. And now this one had a lot of complaints back then in 2013. This arm would always fall off. There was a lot of complaints. So Mezcotoyz decided to discontinue this guy and stop making him until I believe like in 2015, something like that. They decided to recreate him. This time the arm doesn't fall off and he talks, which is really cool. So I'm very happy right now to have all the Mezco Chucky dolls minusing the Supreme Chucky. So other than him, I have all of them. I really can't wait for them to make more. The Supreme Chucky is really silly, so I don't think I'll ever get him. But yeah, other than him, I'm really happy to have all of them. And it's really cool. This one has the black box, as you can see back there. That one has the yellow box, which is similar to there, which I don't have right now. It's put away, but yeah, I think it is really cool. Here, right here, you guys, this one doesn't talk. It doesn't have the button, but this one does talk and it does have the button. I decided to show you guys so you know what I mean when I say that he doesn't have the talking feature. This is the first one they came out with, 2013, and then they remade him, I believe in 2015, something like that. But yeah, I think it's really cool. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Leave me your thoughts down below. Do you have any of these Chucky dolls? And do you want to get the new magazine? I think it's really cool. It's definitely a pickup. I think everything here is pretty worth it, and yeah, so leave me your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, guys.
I'll be back. I always come back, and so should you, you moron.